Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The Windows Defender is sometimes called the Windows Security, and it's a built-in security feature on your Windows. So you can use the Windows Defender or Windows Security if you don't want to use a third-party antivirus or a third-party Windows Defender. However, sometimes you may want to turn off, or you may need to turn off the Windows Defender if you want to install a third-party application which the Windows Defender is blocking. So here, I'm going to walk you through two different methods that you can use to turn off Windows Defender. So first, you can permanently disable Windows Defender via the regedit, and you can disable the Windows Defender via the settings. So I'm going to walk you through the settings first, which is the easiest approach. Now, to disable Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, all you need to do is click on the Start button, click on Settings. Then on the settings page, locate the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Once you selected Privacy and Security, click on Windows Security. Then here, hang on for the Windows Security page to load. Then you should say Open Windows Security. Now, for disable Windows Defender, all you need to do is locate Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. Once you selected Virus and Threat Protection, hang on for the Virus and Threat Protection interface to open. Once it opens, scroll down and then select Manage Settings. Then here you have Real-Time Protection, Dev Drive Protection, then Cloud Deliver Protection, Automatic Sample Submission, Tamper Protection. Now, to disable your Windows Defender, go ahead and turn this off. Select Yes. Then you should see the real-time protection to use this feature is disabled. Then that's the first thing. You can also come down here and disable Tamper Protection, Cloud Deliver Protection, and Automatic Sample Submission. So once you have all of this disabled, then your Windows Defender is now turned off via the settings. Now, to disable Windows Defender on regedit, you need to use command prompt. So first you want to do is press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the command prompt. Then once it opens, type regedit and click on OK. Select Yes from the pop to open the registry editor. On the registry editor, navigate to local machine software. So what we need here is the local machine software. So this, expand this. Now under local machine software, you want to expand software itself. So once you've expanded software, scroll down, expand policies. Under policies, expand Microsoft. Now right click on Windows Defender, select new, then go ahead and create deal word 32. Then here you should say value. Name this disable anti-spy. So just need to disable anti-spyware. Then okay, then again select it and then right click on it, set value data by clicking on modify. Then here you should see value data set to 0. Now go ahead and set that to 1. Once it's set to 1, click on OK and then click on the registry editor. Once you close that, then go ahead and click on the start button, click on power button and then restart your PC. Now once you've restarted your PC, this is going to disable the Windows Defender permanently on your PC. So that's exactly how you can disable Windows Defender via the settings page or control panel, and how you can easily disable Windows Defender via registry editor or regedit. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.